grade students and families, welcome to week 34 of this school year, and it has been a whirlwind of a year. But students continue to do amazing work as we continue to inch closer to summertime in just 6 weeks' time. While the weather hasn't been very warm and spring-like, they do say that April showers bring May flowers, so we should be on the lookout for those soon. Here at Iron Horse, students have finished their ELA CAASPP tests and will be focusing on their math state assessments this week. In science, however, the learning goes on, as the 7th grade students have a very busy week planned in the lab with lots of goals relating to ecology and the study of living things around us. We will continue to take a look at how energy flows in an ecosystem and how the availability of that energy has an impact on the population size of different organisms at different trophic or energy levels. We will examine food webs and food chains and how these help us visualize the flow of energy in the different ecosystems. Students will then get the chance to observe the interconnectedness of populations and ecosystems by engaging in a graphing activity and tying that to the amount of available energy in that particular ecosystem. And then lastly, the 7th graders will use an online simulation tool that will help them observe these ecological processes in addition to others that we've been learning about in action. Like I said, it'll be a very busy week. And for the 8th graders, they too have main goals. The first of which is to complete and share their energy mini posters. Students have been researching more about the different kinds of energy that exist in our universe, and they're creating a small poster to help us visualize this energy in action. Once they have finished their posters, they will then share it with their classmates to learn more. Once we've finished our energy posters, we'll then move into cast practice. Next week, the 8th graders will be taking a California State Science test that will assess their knowledge of the topics that they have learned in middle school. Because this test goes over so much information that was taught over 6th through 8th grade, which, like I said, is a lot, we will spend a few days reviewing some of these major topics and concepts in order to be best prepared. And that will do it for this week in science. Thank you for taking the time to watch this week's preview video, and I hope that you have an amazing week this week. Remember to continue to wear a mask where it is necessary or required, to be a kind and respectful member of our community, and to always think like a scientist.